Thank you, everyone. We have an important announcement from New Essex County Health District. So the Corpus Christi New Essex County Public Health District, we received a notification from the Texas Department of State about a New Essex County resident diagnosed with a B117 coronavirus variant, which is a new mutant virus that was found in the United Kingdom and also has been found in 8 US states and also in more than 33 countries around the globe. Currently, there is no evidence that B117 causes more illness, severe illness, causes more severe illness or increased risk of death, according to the CDC. So the information we have about this resident, he's a male between 60 and 70 years of age. He recently traveled to United Kingdom, where he believes he contracted the disease. The individual is currently recovering at home. What I was told, his symptoms were having severe headache, and he's currently recovering, which is good news. And the individual will be kept in isolation until he is released by me to further spread of this new variant in the New Essex County. So far, studies on all new coronavirus variants are ongoing, and early data seem to suggest this current COVID-19 vaccine will be able to protect against this variant.